Myself, Ashok Singh Yadav, Assistant Professor of Botany in Satish Chandra College. It is my fourth lecture in this lecture series of angiosperms. Today, we will discuss about the inflorescence. Arrangement of flower on floral axis is called inflorescence. Inflorescence play a vital role in efficient pollination. In this figure, position of shoot apical meristem labeled as SAM in red color is shown. Position of axillary meristem and organ primordia is also shown in yellow color and in light green color respectively. By seeing this figure, one can easily understand that stem is made by repeating units of phytomer. This type of growth is called modular growth. Inflorescence also follow modular growth pattern. Axillary meristem produce inflorescence in lateral sides. Axillary meristem is produced at the base of the leaf. Main inflorescence is originated from the flanking region of shoot apical meristem called floral meristem represented by FM in figure C. Types of inflorescence on the basis of terminal flower. Indeterminate inflorescence. Terminal flower is never formed. Determinate inflorescence. Terminal flower is formed. Inflorescence on the basis of branching. Simple inflorescence, growth along a single axis. Compound inflorescence, branching occurs. Some important genes influencing inflorescence development are leafy apetala 1 and terminal flower 1. Two antagonistic transcription factor leafy and terminal flower 1 is sufficient to produce principal axis. Raceme inflorescence. Raceme with indeterminate growth where flowers are born in lateral position. Flower develop at the axil of each leaf along unbranched axis. Every flower in the inflorescence have a short stalk called a pedicel. Spike inflorescence. Spike have all the characters of raceme, but pedicel is absent in spike. So the spike inflorescence have sessile flowers. Generally small imperfect flower present densely at the cylindrical axis. Male flower present at the upper position of the inflorescence and female flower present at the lower position of the inflorescence. After releasing the pollen, male flower withers and fall off. Mature spike release cottony wind dispersed seeds. Brent's plant inflorescence. Another example of spike. It differ from common spike by having animal pollination. Thick fleshy axis having densely packed tiny unisexual flower. Uppermost region has no flower. Below that region male flowers and female flowers are present and the inflorescence is surrounded by spathe. These are the characteristics of spadix inflorescence. We can also say that spadix is thick fleshy spike inflorescence. It is a characteristics of Araceae family. Catkin inflorescence. Usually pendulous spike in which all the flowers are same sex, either male or female. Highly reduced perianth for efficient wind pollination. Oak is a good example of catkin inflorescence. Umbel. If the internodes of the floral axis is highly reduced, flowers arise from a common point. Due to the reduction of internodes, inflorescence appears like umbrella. Umbel inflorescence is the characteristics of carrot family. Eriogonum genus of Polygonaceae family has also umbel inflorescence. Head is a raceme in which the peduncle or floral axis is flattened and the flowers are attached directly to it. Head is formed by group of small flower. It is not a single flower. Characteristics of Compositae family. Sunflower is a good example of head. Outer ray flowers are zygomorphic and commonly sterile. Inner disc flowers are actinomorphic and bisexual. Dichasium inflorescence is terminated by the oldest flower and flanked by two lateral younger flowers. Clematis represent this kind of inflorescence. Cyme, it is compound dichasium. Growth of principal floral axis is terminated and growth is continued by two lateral branchings. Cyme is diagnostic character of Caryophyllaceae family. It is the modification of dichasium. In this inflorescence, only single lateral branch arise after termination of the floral axis. Scorpioid inflorescence is compound monochasium, can be seen in Boragnaceae family. Panicle is branch raceme and branches are themselves raceme. Oldest raceme present at the base and the youngest raceme present at the apex of the inflorescence. Effect of ecological and climatic factor on inflorescence. Regions with unpredictable climate, that is temperate region, inflorescence tend to bear fewer flowers but flower for long. Cymes and racemes being predominant in temperate climate. Tropical climate suits for panicle inflorescence. Caryophyllum bulbosum belongs to Apiaceae family. Caryophyllum bulbosum is andromonoecious. It possesses both hermaphrodite and functionally male flower. Andromonoecious character is inherited in Caryophyllum bulbosum, but that the proportion of hermaphrodite and functionally male flower response is vary according to the environment factors. Number of male flowers vary according to the pollinator availability and population size of Caryophyllum bulbosum. This is the end of my lecture. Hope it is beneficial for the student community. Thanks for joining me.